Chief Electoral Officer CEO ke Meghalaya BDR Tiwari hakasan tarik jembang arajar arpusan ula pentib bagi Election Commission of India ECI kan penterik kamno ya ka ECI NET karensan digital keban kentup lang ya palat saupau teli ki electoral applications. Utiwari ula ong bagi dan sanspa arpusau teli ki case ki bayadei bagi badan palat ban ya Kawei ke epic haka baladap ban shim jing ithu haka jela Meghalaya haka baki riu shimet kila dan ya kaju ke epic hakeleng ki jela henry hapo jang Kawei ke kerteng hi. Ula ong babarok sanspa arpusau ngut ki riu shimet kila yo da ki epic ki batamai bat kane ka deshi benta jang karukom terekam kepala sedang da ka ECI ban ithu bat ban pendu no ya ka Jingdon pun teli ki epic bat benram baru kita ki epic ladap ban sei bat ladap ban IT. Halor kajing penyaso ya ke epic bat u adhar card u CEO ula ong ba kampak desa tia ka ba longkong san kat kum ka hukum ka bala penmi de ka Supreme Court henry yang mentahi kadang de ka lat ka bala ban jit bat ya kani kajing ai jing syakri la ban yo na ki Electoral Registration Officer ERO.
The epic Aadhaar linking is concerned, it is optional till date as per the legal framework given in the purview of the verdict of Honorable Supreme Court. So, but since Aadhaar is linked with so many facilities, we are also requesting the voter they should link their voter ID card with Aadhaar, but till time it is optional and this service is through the EROs they can avail that. Duplicate epics are concerned. So there are 524 cases has been identified in the Meghalaya. So all 524 has been allowed with the new epic number. This is the matter where the same epic number, but it has been found in the different state with the same epic but the two persons name. So that has been rectified and on the initiative of Honorable Election Commission of India, the detailed exercise has been conducted and identified all the duplicates. They have been allotted new epic number and all 524 epic card has been downloaded and delivered to the